Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to record your screen on a Mac with sound. It's pretty simple, let's get started. On your Mac, open a QuickTime Player application, open it, and then tap on Cancel. After that, in a QuickTime Player menu, tap on File, and then choose New Screen Recording. We have the area for recording, but first I'll show you another way without a QuickTime Player. Instead of opening QuickTime Player, you can use a shortcut Shift, Command, and 5. And we have the same window for recording a screen on Mac. We have the menu bar. First three icons are for screenshots, and next two icons are for recording. The first icon is for record entire screen, and the second icon is for record selected portion. Choose, for example, selected portion. We can change this portion to make it bigger or smaller. For example, it's good for me. After that, we can open options for this recording. We can choose where to save our file, for example, to desktop. Next, we can add a timer and choose a microphone. If we choose a non-microphone, then we will have the audio. To record your screen with audio, choose built-in microphone. You can show mouse clicks, remember last selection, and show floating thumbnail. Let's try to record. To do this, simply click on record button. Click on it. Our video is recording. We can click to watch. You can replace icons. That's okay, let's check. To finish the recording, click on this small stop button at the top bar. Click on it. Our recording has been saved. Wait please. And we have the record at the desktop. Let's open it. Play to start. Our video is recording. We can click to watch how it works. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Good luck. See you next time.